Hello everybody. If you want to try a new look without actually changing your clothes or haircut, in today's video within the Google's Nano Banana inside Gemini, we can swap outfits and hairstyle instantly in photos without Photoshop. So what we can do is we can just head over and go to gemini.google.com. You can head over to this particular website, or you may just head over and download the application for Gemini in your mobile device. So what you can do in order to in order to apply the changes or do the Photoshop within Gemini, I mean the Nano Banana, which is under built in Gemini. So you can just go ahead and upload your picture where you want to change your outfit or hairstyle. So you can look out for this plus icon, click on it. Once you do so, you can select the option to upload files or add from drive. After you do so, you can select up the image in which you would like to make the changes. After you do so, click on open and upload your particular image. Now in the chat box, you can just go ahead and give a very clear prompt. So there you can just go ahead and type in, change my hairstyle to a short bob cut. So let me just show you the image. The image I am using right now is this one right here. The girl here has a very long hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change her hairstyle into a short one. So we're just gonna close this up. Let me just close this, and my image has already been uploaded. So what we're gonna do is type in prompt like change my hairstyle into bob, something like this, or you can type in another thing as well. Be specific as you like and it will understand the details. So hit enter, and you may just go ahead and wait for a few seconds. In just a few seconds, the Gemini AI, the Nano Banana AI, will transfer your photo and the provided prompt will be added. So you can see the image has been converted. We had a long hair here, and I said I wanted to change it into bob. So we have now the short hair as we provided as the prompt. Now, if we would like to change the dress as well, what we can do is, right now we have something navy blue kind of dress available. I'm gonna type in pink dress, change the dress into pink. So you can also just go ahead and type in the prompt as you like and hit enter and wait for some seconds. And after you do so, it will replace the outfit as well with the specific details that you will be providing, and it should understand it, and within few seconds it should change it, and there we go. So that's it. That way new stars instantly will be provided with the image you provided inside Nano Banana. So if you want more quick AI photo tricks, you can follow up these channels, like and subscribe, and also share this video, and that's it.